Okay, so I have the clean water in over here. Of course, I added a little pine tar because I like my house to smell clean. And then this is where, hold on. Okay, so after you use it, you spin the brush and it puts the dirty water separate. You have the clean water that comes here, and this is where you'll dip your brush back into. Guys, I'm gonna link them below. You won't regret it. Okay guys, so you just put the pole together. You attach the mop pad on the bottom. To get started, you just stick it in here. And you're ready to go. And guys, then you stick it in the other side, and this is what spins the dirty, this is how it spins the dirty water off. Look how good these floors look, and this is dry. I am super excited, guys. I'm gonna link them below. You should go check them out. You won't regret it.